to unhide transactions on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to unhide transaction on your Revolut account. So first of all, just simply open your Revolut account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your account, in order to make your transaction, in order to hide your transaction, all you have to do is just go to the settings option in your Revolut account. So Revolut has a hide balance settings which can turn your balance blurry anytime you quickly shake or flip your phone. This helps keeps your accounts private when you view them in public. You can quickly shake or flip your phone again to show your balance. The setting is switched by default, but you can turn it off and on as per your liking. So if you want to unhide the transaction that you have hide using this shake gesture or this flip gesture in your Revolut account, all you have to do is just simply go to the home screen, and from there just go to the top right left hand side corner of your mobile screen and just click on account, and after that just go to the privacy section and tap on it and just toggle the unhide balance with a flip gesture and turn it off. And this way your balance will be unhide, and whenever you do the shake or flip gesture in your phone, your balance will not get blurry and you will be able to see balance throughout. So this is basically how you will be able to unhide your transaction in Revolut. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.